guys, this is Sawyer. Today we're going to be shooting some fireworks. And actually my sister is shooting some right
I
now.
want to come back after I bought these.
I mean,
That's what I was wondering.
and this is Shelby.
Oh, okay, you're videoing
Are you
me.
making a YouTube channel?
And here is Blink.
Blink? Really?
I said Blink.
Blake.
Blake. This is Blake.
I've been called worse.
Sawyer, what'd you call him?
Blink.
Oh.
And we're shooting fireworks today. We got some of these that you hold in your hand and they fire. And oh, here goes my sister doing some. Whoa! Them turned into real fireworks.
Wind it up. Or not.
Good job.
And here's all the other fireworks we have
Let's save
gotten.
some of those, okay?
Sawyer, you want to shoot one?
He already has. We've already shot half the pack.
You can shoot one
You want to shoot one while you're recording?
And I'm gonna shoot one while I'm recording right now. So, and I'm sorry if it's so dark that you guys can't see me.
You ready?
But here it goes.
Did you flip the camera around?
Hold on.
I'm holding the firework right now.
So they
And there it goes.
talk us into some
Yeah,
new.
you want to turn it off and then start shooting the big ones.
That we put it on the thing.
Mhm.
They talked us into some new sparkles. Where's Sissy?
Yeah, you want to upload another one in just a minute of us shooting the big one.
Oh, and guys, in just a minute, I'm gonna make another video of us shooting the real big ones, like all these. Oh,
Andrew will burn her foot.
ooh, that's so pretty. And we have some sparklers right now. Can I do?
Come over here, baby. Come here.
And I'm gonna hold a sparkler
Get it close to both.
while
You can
recording.
Move it just easy. Watch those sparks.
Supposed to be a little bit
Woo!
taller rather than just a spark, but
Okay. Don't hit Bubba with it.
yeah, pretty fast.
Look, that's so pretty. Going around in circles right now. Here's my little sister doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, mine went out.
I get one
That
too.
one mine rolled out.
Yeah, they look the same.
That's what I was
That's
thinking.
They don't really look neon, do they?
Uh-uh.
You got
Shelby,
twirl it.
mine rolled out.
What?
You got twirl it.
What are you doing?
You got twirl it.
What did you say?
I'm gonna teach you some of the longest.
No. You see the circle, Yo-Yo?
Oh, my mom is actually doing a circle right now.
Touch this, it'll burn you, honey.
And
I bent my stick.
here is the beautiful moon. It's a full moon out
You want
tonight.
to see your chicken?
Oh, and here
You
goes,
can't hold the chicken. You just gotta watch
and
that.
here goes him, and here goes my sister's chicken firework. And oh, sorry guys, I dropped the camera. Here.
Once you stop for just a few minutes, remember they like the videos when they're a little bit shorter.
Hey, it was going.
Guys, this is gonna be one more firework. Then I'm gonna do another video of them. There went his actually
was a
chicken.
Are you putting all the trash on here?
And guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Remember that I'm going to make another video in just a second of us doing the big fireworks. But I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Okay.